Alex, I'll teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So just try it first, and then whenever you do a mistake, I'll teach you. Now you need to know, orange is always opposite with red, so that means there should be a red over here. So there's an orange here. Bring this orange over here to that orange. Then you would probably see these 4 oranges. Bring it over here, then you solve the orange side, the first layer. Now you try that. Good. Twist that. Now you have all these dots. If you see this, you have to go up like this. Then blue is always opposite of green, so just twist this here. And then you could have green solved. You try. Now you have these eyes on the Rubik's Cube. Since white is opposite to yellow, you turn this part, and then you make this go over here, get the second layer done, then flip it over here. Good. Now, just twist 2 times, and then you solved it.